Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm a guy that in the kitchen likes to be as uncomplicated as possible. And this is where this Hans Premium pasta sauce comes into place. And it's wonderful. And I'm gonna tell you why specifically. It's really good because it has this added taste of meat. So it's just so easy for me just to take the pasta, put it, do it. Don't have to do too much with the sauce. Maybe one day between classes, I just have to go and have just a small space for me just to cook. I just get one of these guys, boil the pasta, add this in, and I'm pretty much good to go. But it doesn't actually stay there. If I'm doing ground beef or I'm doing any of the meals, that for me needs to be really fast, really efficient because I'm just trying to optimize my time from class to class. This is pretty much exactly what I'm looking for. And the flavor and the taste, it feels like really nice quality. This is a sauce that is easy to use for pretty much any occasion. This is what you want to do. So this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point of view.